Are we recording? Yes, we are. So we're gonna do a little test right here. Mic check, mic check. So in this episode, the wife and I are gonna do some baked cookies. Now it is that time of year, right? It's almost time for Christmas. So this is gonna be a really cool episode. I'm gonna show you guys what I like to do, what the wife and I like. We're doing a oatmeal chocolate chip, and we're also doing a oatmeal and raisin. We are gonna be making kind of a base batch, and then we're gonna be folding in some ingredients on the other cookies, and then we'll just kind of mix it up and do the raisins on the other. But check this out, guys. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show you guys this. There's a lot to look at. Okay, so we have some vanilla extract. We have 2 eggs. Wait until you guys see those eggs. Oatmeal, all-purpose flour, salt and baking soda, raisins, chocolate chips, semi-sweet, regular sugar, and hard-packed brown sugar. You guys, this is where life changes, okay? Kerigold butter, can't say more about it. It is an amazing product. And as you guys know, I love mayonnaise and, of course, butter. So, all right, guys, so this recipe calls for about a cup of butter. We're gonna throw that in there. Now we're gonna add our brown sugar and our regular sugar. Look at these eggs. These eggs I got from the store. These are pretty amazing looking. Look at that. That's a killer looking egg. So we're just gonna do 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna add our eggs and vanilla, and you're just gonna mix it until incorporated. We're also gonna scrape the bowl down at least once, you guys, just to make sure everything's getting incorporated in there. All right, guys, so everything's pretty much incorporated. Now we're just gonna add our flour and our oats. All right, so this one right here, what do you want? You want this one to be chocolate chip? Sure. All right, so we're gonna pour our chocolate chips. We're just gonna blend it in. We're gonna add our raisins. All right, so I'm dying to know. I'm dying. In the comment section, this is gonna be very easy for everyone to do, okay? If you guys can do this, I'll be a very happy person. So I wanna see what you guys like, okay? I think that a lot of you are gonna like chocolate chip and oatmeal, but think about it. Have you ever had a raisin and oatmeal cookie? I have. That's why I'm making them. So, wife, what do you think? Do you think what do you think the survey is going to go to?
Oatmeal and chocolate chip.
Probably will, but it's okay. I'm going to still fight for it. So now we're going to add a little dusting of cinnamon. Just a little bit. We just want to put a little essence in there. Cool. So guys, we're just going to take a little scooper here, okay? And we're just going to put it down. Super easy. That way they're all the same size. I think that's nice to have them all uniform. So we're gonna do 6 of one cookie. Yeah, let's get some chocolate chips. I can't wait to see what everyone says. I've been loving the comments you guys been putting. All right, last one. Cool. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and bake these for about 9 to 11 minutes in the oven, 350. Now we just need to wait until it happens. Maybe we should have a cookie battle. You guys ever thought about that? But seriously, on the side note, I really appreciate you guys following me, watching, commenting. It pumps me up. So I really, really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. This is what I really want to say. I want friends. I want friends. Let's see what we got. Wow, those look really, really good. Cookies are done. That's what you guys want to look for. Let's pull these out, okay? And then we'll just put it right here to sit and start cooling down. Yeah, that's a cookie right there. Ready to go? All right, 3, 2, 1, action. You guys, We already have a first batch out, okay? Those look amazing, but let's pull out the second ones, okay? All right, I'm gonna pull these out. That's perfect. So that's what you want, guys. You want it to be just a little bit brown on the edges. Let's let these cool down, and then let's have a taste test. What do you guys think? I'm excited for this. All right, I'm gonna start filming, baby. I'm gonna start filming.
What do you want me to do?
Turn it off.
I can't reach the remote.
Oh my God. Cookies are done. Take a look at that. That is what a cookie should look like. So let's just start with this guy, for instance. So take a look. That is exactly what we want, okay? So beautifully golden brown. When you open this bad boy up, it should just give you everything that possibly you could ever want in a cookie. But the key is, what does it taste like, right? So let's just see. That's better than store-bought. And it's because of the Kerigold butter. That's a really good freaking cookie. Let's try something else. Let's try now our beautiful, beautiful raisin one. Okay, sorry, I'm just having a little bit of a moment with that cookie. Anyways, next cookie. My wife's laughing at me right now because she doesn't think this is gonna be awesome. But it is gonna be awesome. So this cookie right here is completely golden brown. Beautiful cookie. Look at the shape of that thing. The little extra piece that came off, and it's golden brown. I know I'm talking about it too much, huh? So let's see what this is all about. Let's open it up right here. Now that is pretty nice. So let's give this cookie a shot. This one deserves a chance, okay? Here goes nothing. Completely different world, all right? I just went to a different place, okay? You're laughing at me, honey, but you don't know what you're missing, warm cookies. So this is what I like to do also as well. When you're having cookies, yeah, you can have some water with that, or you can have whatever, some saliva, and you can wash it down, but I don't like to do that. So we take some milk here, and it's vitamin D. So we go ahead and add a little bit of milk, not too much, just enough to have a couple cookies. And babe, do you need to get by? You can get by.
You'll cut it out?
Yeah, I'll cut it out. So then, I know, I got to do it, guys. Ovaltine is going to sponsor me one day. I'm an ambassador for them. They said that I'm one of their biggest clients, and because they can tell, because they know how much I purchase. So I put 1 scoop in there. We're going to go 2 for a good measure. So I like to just let it go. Very, very easy to do this. Chocolate milk, you can't beat it. In the comment section, I want to know what kind of cookies you guys like to make. So I hope this was a fun episode for you. I know it's just cookies, but it's fun. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos for you guys. And you guys are actually commenting and calling me and letting me know that they were good, or you're watching them, which is awesome. Smash the like button, you guys, and thanks for subscribing. Peace out.